everybody, it's Jacob, Living Waters Landscaping. We're here in Clyde, North Carolina, cutting out this new Pondless Waterfall. About 20 feet long and should be pretty nice. We've got our reservoirs, cubes all lined out here. Getting ready to set those in. Of course, we ran into a 6-inch drain line coming off the gutter of the house. Wouldn't be a job if we didn't. And here's where we're running at. Gonna be up here, coming down, working into these walls here. Kind of working against myself with this slope, so I'm gonna be filling in this side, trying leveling this off, naturalizing it. Should be pretty nice. We'll be working with some local kind of granite stone. They call it Fines Creek, I think. Not what I'm used to working with, but it sure is pretty. It kind of looks like this. So it should be nice. It'll tie into these existing boulder walls. Meanwhile, I got a nice view. All right, we got a couple beasts of boulders here that we're bringing down. Getting our fabric in, getting this cut out. First plan was to try and bring boulders down through here, but that didn't work out because the propane tank is right there. So now we're trying to figure out how to get these monsters down here. And we got to go through this tight little access here. I got about a couple inches on either side here between the hot tub and the house, so it's sketchy. But we're doing it. All right, we are definitely making our way up here. A little bit hard access with the excavator, get some of the bigger rocks up there, but it's coming together. Got some nice rock, a couple nice falls through here, ending up somewhere in here. I'm trying to figure out if I want to come off here or up here higher, but I'm starting to get into the roots of this tree, so I'm going to mess with that. But it's looking pretty nice. We're going to have a pretty nice fall here. Our basin set. We're gonna have about 9 or 10,000 gallon per hour pump running through here, so should be nice. We're gonna block this off here at some point, have a little secondary fall after this main fall. And that's about it. Kind of rainy, foggy day today. Using bagged gravel makes life easier some days for backfilling. Alright, now it is coming together. Should be nice. Got our last fall going in up here. Should have some good turns to it. We'll find out. Pump in. Got some edging boulder work to do over here, some plumbing to put in. Should be cool.